Good afternoon, family, and welcome back to Godspeed. Today, we continue our segment called Project LC500, where we are taking our new LC500 and building it out per some of the specs that I had planned while I was waiting and anticipating the purchase of this vehicle. So, on the last episode, you guys saw us finish out the tent. And on this episode, I'm actually installing quite a few options. So, the previous time I had this vehicle, I absolutely love the RSR coilovers, which are amazing. So, actually purchased those, went back with those, as well as this time I ended up picking up a kit. To be quite honest with you, the inspiration of this build was somewhat behind what if I was Lexus, I would have done as it relates to a F Sport option for the LC500, right? Something that is factory plus, something that still creates a bit of a conservative look and insinuates the natural lines of the car, but just makes it stand out a little bit. So tonight we are going to be installing the coilovers. We are going to be painting the calipers red. We're going to be putting on a full body kit that I picked up from Maxton Design. And I'm excited about this because I'm going to put in the link, as well as you should see it flashing on screen now, a code. I've partnered with Maxton Design to actually get you guys a discount. So for the first 15 people who decide to purchase anything, not just the Lexus LC500 kit, but anything, including the kit, you guys will absolutely get a discount if you use that code that I'm showing on the screen, and you'll find that in the comments as well. So, guys, enjoy. Really excited. Can't wait for you to see the end results here. And let's get started.